Well, today there's a severely eroded section of the track where the wind is blowing out the sand to about waist deep and perhaps even a bit deeper. And this has happened over the 25 years that the track's been here, so we've put a diversion around it and we're trying to stop any more erosion, because it's just getting wider and wider, and sooner or later the whole top of the hill will disappear. So we're trying to stabilise the trench that's been formed and trying to stop it going any further.
Today we're just out here doing some erosion control with the Bibbulmun volunteers. So it's good to get the boys out on country, and some of the guys haven't done work on country, so it's good to get them out and just working on country.
I think we have got such a good pool of resources working with these groups. A lot of our crew are busy doing a whole heap of jobs, and the track maintenance is just one extra job. So if we can get volunteers and ranger groups to come out here, it works really well. Collaboration between the Bibbulmun Track Foundation maintenance volunteers and the Binalup Rangers is really important, because people out onto country, just out and about in this beautiful environment, is a real benefit.
All the people working out here usually are volunteers. Today we've got some special people, which are the Aboriginal Rangers that are helping us, and we're just so delighted to have found an opportunity where they can, and a time when they're available, to be able to get them to do some work for us. So this is the first off, and we hope it's the first of many.
It's a very, very positive feeling, especially when you're out here with other young Noongar boys and men. It's just a real good feeling here.
It is really important to make sure that we keep these tracks maintained for visitor safety, for enjoyment, because on beautiful days like this, you just can't beat it.